Okay, now that I have the top end marked and cut in place, I'm now going to rest the stick on top of my bottom piece. While it's resting on top, I'm going to go ahead and mark a parallel line going across this edge right here. As you can see, it's going to continue going straight through, and that's where I will make my second cut. So again, with the second cut, what I'll need to do is once again line up the blade of the scissors. And again, I'm using the back of the scissors when I cut. Line up the blade of the scissors with the marker line I just made and cut straight down toward the table. When I put these two pieces in place, I want to make sure that they fit nice and tight like that. Now I have one end cut. So what I'll do is we're going to glue that in place. So what I'm going to need to do is put some glue in a glue lid, and the amount of glue you want to put in there is about the diameter of a dime. Okay, we don't want to fill up the entire lid because this is wood glue and it dries fast. So as you can see, it's already drying on the tip, so please make sure the caps are closed. So in open position to fill it up, please close it when you're not using it so that the glue doesn't dry out. We'll take the two ends that we just cut. I'm going to dip them in the glue, and you want to be generous with your glue so that it sticks in between the joints. So now I can set it in place. Now what I need to do is that this is now an outside frame piece. So what I have to do to the outside frame pieces is pin them down. So again, I'm going to cross pin over the top and over the bottom. So I have one pin coming toward me. I have one pin going away from me, shaping a letter X. And now I have that secured in place. I'm going to do the same thing down here, and here's where you want to make sure when you're pinning that everything lines up on the marker lines that you originally color coded. So now my cross pinning is finished there, and now I can begin working on the other end.